Yo, what's up everybody? It's your channel How To and More, and today we're diving into a world that's hidden in plain sight. You might walk past these places every day and never notice them. It's a world of adventure, mystery, and forgotten beauty. These places hold stories and secrets that are just waiting to be discovered. We're talking about urban exploration, a subculture that thrives on curiosity and the thrill of the unknown. It's a journey into the heart of abandoned and off-limits places that most people never see. Think about it. These places are often right in the middle of bustling cities, yet they remain unseen. Right under our noses, beneath the bustling streets and towering skyscrapers, lie forgotten worlds. Abandoned factories, silent hospitals, and decaying urban structures that tell tales of a different time. Crumbling tunnels. These are the domains of urban explorers. They navigate these eerie, silent places with a sense of wonder and respect. These modern-day adventurers are drawn to the unknown, the thrill of discovery, and the chance to see the world from a different perspective. The stories whispered by the walls of these forgotten places are like echoes from the past. Graffiti, old posters, and remnants of lives once lived add to the mystique. So buckle up, because we're about to uncover the secrets of urban exploration. Get ready to see the unseen and hear the unheard. This is going to be an adventure you won't forget. So, what exactly is urban exploration? It's a fascinating and often misunderstood activity that involves exploring man-made structures, usually abandoned or hidden from the public eye. This isn't just about breaking into places, it's about discovering the forgotten corners of our urban landscapes. It's about venturing off the beaten path, beyond the velvet ropes and no trespassing signs. Urban explorers seek out the places that society has left behind, the areas that are often overlooked or deemed unimportant. It's about stepping into the shadows of the city and uncovering the secrets it holds. These explorers navigate through dark alleys, hidden tunnels, and shadowy environments, driven by a sense of adventure and a desire to uncover the unknown. Urban explorers, or urbexers as they're often called, are driven by curiosity. They are a unique breed of adventurers who see beauty in decay and history in the ruins. Their passion lies in the stories that these forgotten places tell. They're the ones who see an abandoned building and don't just walk by. They wonder about its past, its stories, its hidden beauty. They imagine the lives that once filled these spaces and the events that took place within these walls. Imagine this: a sprawling factory floor, silent now, but once alive with the clang of machinery and the bustle of workers. The sunlight filters through broken windows, casting eerie shadows on the dusty floor, hinting at the vibrant activity that once took place here. Or a forgotten hospital, its rooms still echoing with the whispers of lives once lived and lost. The peeling paint and rusting equipment tell a story of a place that was once filled with hope and despair, life and death. These are the places that beckon urban explorers, offering a glimpse into a forgotten past and a chance to see the city from a different perspective. They provide a unique lens through which to view our urban environments, revealing the layers of history and human experience that are often hidden from view. Let me tell you, there's nothing quite like the feeling of discovering something hidden, something forgotten by time. It's like being a modern-day Indiana Jones, uncovering a lost city in the heart of the urban jungle. You might stumble upon a dusty old record player, a vintage car left to rust, or even a forgotten mural that speaks of a bygone era. But it's not just about the objects themselves, it's about the stories they tell. Each artifact, each piece of graffiti, each crumbling wall whispers a tale of the past. It's about piecing together these fragments like a detective solving a mystery and uncovering the hidden history of these forgotten spaces. Now, urban exploration isn't just about wandering into abandoned buildings willy-nilly. It requires careful planning, a sense of adventure, and the right gear. We're talking flashlights to pierce the darkness, sturdy boots to navigate treacherous terrain, and respirators to protect against dust and debris. And don't forget the camera. Documenting these forgotten spaces is all part of the experience. Whether it's capturing the eerie beauty of an abandoned asylum or the intricate details of a decaying power plant, photography and videography breathe new life into these forgotten places. Section 5. Respect and Responsibility. The Ethics of Urban Exploration. Now, before you grab your gear and head out, there's one crucial thing to remember: respect. Urban exploration is about appreciating and documenting these spaces, not vandalizing or looting them. We're guests in these forgotten places, and it's our responsibility to leave them as we found them. Always get permission if possible, and if a place is off limits, respect that. Safety is paramount too. Never explore alone, let someone know where you're going and be aware of your surroundings. Remember, urban exploration is about adventure, but not at the cost of safety or respect. Section 6, a community of explorers sharing discoveries, protecting secrets. One of the coolest things about urban exploration is the community. There's a whole network of explorers out there sharing their experiences, tips, and discoveries online. Social media platforms and online forums have become virtual meeting places for urbexers to connect, share their passion, and learn from each other. But here's the thing. Responsible sharing is key. While it's tempting to broadcast your latest find to the world, it's important to protect these locations. Sharing specific locations can attract unwanted attention, leading to vandalism or even the spaces being sealed off. Remember, the goal is to preserve these forgotten places, not exploit them. Section 7. The allure of the unknown, why urban exploration endures. So, why are people drawn to these forgotten corners of the city? I think it's the allure of the unknown, the thrill of stepping into a place frozen in time. It's about uncovering hidden histories, challenging our perceptions of the urban landscape and finding beauty in unexpected places. In a world that's increasingly sanitized and predictable, urban exploration offers a sense of adventure, a chance to escape the ordinary and reconnect with the raw, unfiltered beauty of the city. It's a reminder that even in the most familiar places, there are still secrets waiting to be uncovered. Section 8. Conclusion. The future of urban exploration. As we look ahead, the future of urban exploration is both exciting and uncertain. The ever-changing urban landscape offers endless possibilities for discovery and adventure. As cities continue to evolve and change, so too will the landscape of urban exploration. New buildings rise, old ones fall, and with each transformation, new opportunities for exploration emerge. New spaces will be abandoned, left to the elements and the curious minds of explorers. These places, once bustling with life, will become silent witnesses to the passage of time. New stories will be waiting to be told, hidden in the graffiti on the walls, the forgotten objects left behind, and the old photographs that capture moments long past. And a new generation of explorers will emerge to uncover them. These modern adventurers, armed with flashlights and cameras, will delve into the unknown, driven by curiosity and a sense of wonder. But one thing's for sure, the allure of the unknown, the thrill of discovery, and the excitement of finding hidden artifacts will continue to captivate the hearts of urban explorers. The desire to connect with the hidden heart of the city will continue to draw people to the world of urban exploration. Whether it's the view from a rooftop, the mystery of underground tunnels, or the history within an old factory, the call of the unknown is irresistible. So, there you have it, my take on the world of urban exploration. It's a journey filled with adventure, history, and unexpected beauty. Each exploration is a story waiting to be told, a piece of history waiting to be uncovered. It's a world of adventure, history, and unexpected beauty, where every corner turned reveals a new secret, and every step taken is a step back in time. But it's also a world that demands respect, responsibility, and a deep appreciation for the spaces we explore. Safety and respect for these abandoned places are paramount, and a sense of adventure. Peace out. Until next time, keep exploring, stay safe, and always respect the places you visit. The world of urban exploration is vast and full of wonders, just waiting for you to discover.